Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to change your Roblox region. Okay, let's start the video. Click on Roblox. Follow my all steps carefully, otherwise you can't understand properly. Click on more. Click on help and safety. Click on help. Search account location. Click on account location. Click on support from. Fill up this form carefully. Name, full name, email address, again email address, device type, Android phone. Click on how to. Click on how to change my location. Description. If you are Roblox friends, then subscribe the channel, get the next update. Thank you. By doing this process you can easily change your Roblox region. Thank you guys.